Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review from Glamlite. That is the Glam Donut palette with the Glamlite lip set. Do you want to know what these are about and what my thoughts are? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I actually received both of these products from one of my amazing subscribers. It was a birthday gift. So thank you so much, Tracy, for sending me these. I greatly do appreciate it so much. You don't have to do it. I would have been happy with a handwritten card sent to me or just even a piece of paper. But no, she sent me these. Let's go ahead and get into these. Let's see what these are all about. I've already used the palette, but I haven't opened this one up yet. This was completely sealed. I just opened it when I started this look, and this is the package that it came in. It's super cute. It's a little box that you can see like a big donut in. The back of it does show you the different colors, so it's very, very bright colors that are in here. And when you open it up, it pops out like this. And here's the actual package. It does have like this fluffy, I don't know, it's protruding out to be like, you know, like a 3D donut. Super cute packaging. I mean, super cute packaging. I've seen so many different lines from Glamlite where it's like an ice cream truck. There's even like a pizza and a taco, I believe. There's so many fun different shapes that they come out with, but I've never really used their formula. I think I did receive a Glamlite before, and I think it was a breast cancer awareness palette, but the colors in it were so similar to several different palettes of mine. So I believe I put that in a giveaway or gave it to somebody who would use it. So I physically have never used any formula from Glamlite, and now this is the only palette that I have in my possession, and here will be lips products that I'll try out for you guys as well. So I'm really excited to now have something, and it's the cutest packaging ever. So I'm so glad to have this. The back even has like a plush feel to it. The whole thing is like a nice feel to it. So when you open it up, there is a mirror on the top, and it does have the plastic on it. And here's the entire palette. So you have like a matte teal, you have a matte blue, metallic blue, a metallic purple, a matte purple, you have a matte pink and a metallic pink, and then you have like this gold metallic, and then this brown color, and then this gorgeous color right here in the center, you guys. That is so pretty. I have this under my brow bone and on my lower lid. I love this color right here. That is very pretty. I think that's gonna be like my go-to, at least to grab like for my lower lid for this color. I love this color so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this entire palette for you guys so you can see all of the colors on my skin. And then we're gonna get into this guy right here. So hold on. So I started with the teal and went around this way when I swatched it. Glamlite is the most glamorous donut you've ever seen. This palette includes 9 intensely pigmented and unique shades based on the most popular and delicious donut flavors, such as the iconic jelly-filled, chocolate, maple, and many others. No donut would ever be complete without the signature mouth-watering glaze. So we've included an oversized glaze highlighter smack dab in the middle, specially formulated to provide a long-lasting radiant glow like you've never witnessed before. Our innovative smooth to the touch highlighter formula blends effortlessly into the skin to create a gorgeous glazed effect for our shadows. Inspired by the tastiest breakfast dessert treat ever, all included are amazing signature Glamlite Ultra Pigmented formula. Now you can satisfy all of your sugar cravings without the guilt. So here is the entire palette. This is the matte, the metallic, the metallic, the metallic, the matte, the matte, the metallic, matte, matte, and metallic. That's the middle one right there. So if you wanted to do like a pink and purple look, at least you have 2 different color pinks, you have 2 different purples, you have 3 different greens, and then you have these 2 right here. This chocolate color is not really a brown, it's more of like a rust burgundy brownish color, if you will. That's why when I first put this on with these other colors, I didn't think it quite fit. I think this color would look really pretty with this gold, just these two together. And I think the blues will look good together. The purples will look good. I just think this is an all-around palette to make several different bright, unique looks with it. The only thing I did see with this, again, I've never used their formula before, so I don't know if it's this particular palette or their formula in general. I had to keep going in several times. Like, it's not highly pigmented the first go around. So like with the blue, I had to keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going in. And the whole saying, if you build it, it'll come. It will get there. But I felt like I had to go in extra times to get the color achieved that I was going for. But it's no problem. A lot of palettes are like that. I have very few that are highly pigmented that like one swipe wonder is like, that, yeah, so it's very rare for those, but I did want to at least point out the fact that I did have to go in a few extra times. Even with the swatches, most of my swatches that I do, I'll go in like once and put it on, or sometimes I'll dip in twice, where with these I dipped in 3 to 4 different times to get that achieved swatch for you guys. So again, it is not as highly pigmented as some palettes, but it does have more pigment than others that I've used. So it's more of like the mid-range, if you want to call it, with my opinion from all of the palettes that I have used. I really do enjoy it. I think it came out really good, and I like the bright colors. Okay guys, so this is after all day wear, and literally it has been a long day. I have not touched up anything. I do have a little bit of like glitter fallout, I think from the middle section I did, which is totally fine. I'm fine with that. But other than that, I think it weared very well. It held its color, it held its place, and I think it did amazing. So my wear test was good. That's super cute. So the middle one is technically a highlighter as well. So let me see her. Because this thing is blindingly like, whoa. So let's see. I do see a nice little subtle glow because I'm not trying to go too heavy handed with it. But that middle one, that glaze, that's what I was saying. I can see myself grabbing this palette, at least for that one alone for my lower lid, because it didn't just cover the color that I had on there. It intensified the color by giving it, like it says, a glaze. That is so awesome. I love that color, and I'm so glad to have this palette now. So I really, and the packaging is the cutest packaging ever, you guys. So I'm so glad that she sent this to me. Again, I've never used Glamlite, so I was a little intimidated at first, especially with the bold, bright colors, but I actually like it, and I think I want to go to their site and see what else they have and get another collection from them, because this packaging is just super fun. It's so cute. So thank you so much, Tracy. Now you got me stuck, I think, on a new line with new things. So thank you. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is the cutest packaging as well. So that's what it looks like a popsicle stick. You pull it out, and that is the colors that are inside. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all these for you as well. You guys, I think I've only received one, I think it was a lipstick. Yeah, I've only received one liquid lipstick that has this, and it was like a gloss, and I thought that was like a genius thing to do, and more people should be doing that, and this one does it. So here is the actual packaging, but look, check it out. There's a full big mirror. That is, and I've never seen one with that big of a mirror on there. That is super cool. So when you put this on, you can see what you're doing. That is awesome. And this is a unique shape. It's like a triangle. That is so cute. I love this packaging. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch these and let's try these on. I'm gonna go with the lightest color to the darker color because I'm gonna put them on my lips as well. So let's go with this first one. This first one is called Strawberry Sherbet. Super cute. Ooh, and it smells really good. Oh, okay. So this is like a nice gloss. Just like a nice, pretty gloss. You don't really see a whole lot of color to it, but that is super pretty. It smells good and it feels good. And I love that there's a mirror right there. How you doing? That is super, super cute. Okay, so that again is Strawberry Sherbet. So now let's go with Strawberry Shortcake, which is like a peachish color. Yes, it is, but it's not like highly pigmented. So it's more of like a, kind of like a gloss to give you a little bit of color. Ooh, I like this. But see, look, all the color that just came off, but you didn't really see much of it. So let's try this one. Oh, I can use my handy dandy mirror. That's closer than the one I'm looking at. So that's the peach one. So it does give you a little bit of color, but that's nice. So there's the peach, the Strawberry Shortcake. So now let's try the last one. The last one is Berrylicious. How cute. I like that. Like I said, it's not too peach, but it gives you a little bit of color. But there's a whole lot of peach that comes off. That's crazy. So let's try this one. Hopefully this is the same type of formula where it's not too, no, it's not. This one is dark. So let's try this one. I'll try it with the mirror. That is a very pink color. Very pink, like a magenta. That's very bold. It's very pretty. If I had more magenta colors on, like more pinks, that would look really pretty with it. But I think with the blues, it's kind of throwing it off with this particular look. But I think that's a really pretty color. Very pretty. So there is the 3 that came in this set. Again, you have the 2 glosses, and then you have like the lipstick. And this one was called the Glamlite lip set. And there's that. But that is just super cute packaging. Like, how cute is this packaging, you guys? So that is what I wanted to show you with this. Again, thank you so much, Tracy, for sending this to me. You didn't have to do that, but I'm so glad you did because I'm actually really loving this entire set. So thank you again. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you're awesome. You're amazing. You're wonderful, but you already know that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Go ahead and comment down below. Have you used anything from Glamlite? Have you seen any of these cute and unique packaging that they have? Have you seen this donut right here? Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And yeah, but I really love it. So you guys, again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.